the freedom to answer the call. Grateful for this breath from my beating heart, to the waters and the earth, for the magic and the mycelium, and the brilliance of it all. I am grateful, ever so grateful, for the freedom to answer the call. I am grateful, like a waterfall, a waterfall of gratitude. You wonder at it all, a waterfall of grateful, a waterfall of grateful. I'm grateful for heartache and crashing waves, for the breakdowns, the breakthroughs, and the rainbow days, for deep union and the push away too, that all brings me home to myself, through and true, in a way. Oh, I am grateful, like a waterfall of gratitude. You won't run it all, wonderful waterfall of grateful, wonderful waterfall of grateful. For life itself, for every heartfelt song, for the light upon the water and the longing to belong, for the chaos and the clarity, every step on this journey home, with certitude and humility, 'cause we're here and then we're gone.